how to select or change your primary care physician on BCBSM application. To select or change your primary care physician on the app, you can follow up these steps. So you can open up the application, and once you are logged in, you should be finding this particular interface. Now what you need to do is locate up the option called Find a Doctor or Find Care option on the home screen. And once you tap on it here, you will be selecting the option called My Primary Care Physician, the first one option, where you can view, choose, and change the primary care physician for yourself or your family. After you do so here, it will show you a bunch of options available. So you can basically look out for the family member covered under the plan. Choose the individual whose PCB you want to change. For example, your own. Tap on your name. After you do so, it will show you the physician name. So you can tap on this option called Select Doctor of this particular person. And once you do, you can tap on Get Started to initiate the PCP selection process. Now here, you can just browse or search for a new primary care physician. Once you've found the one, you can basically head over and select PCP under their profile and just go ahead and do so. You can look out for their details and everything. After that, tap on Select PCP. After you do so, here it will show you the family member's name. You can confirm it by tapping on Save and Continue. And you can select why did you choose a new PCP, a reason for that, and tap on Change PCP. And after you do so, the changes will be applied and you will be seeing a confirmation message indicating the change, and then you can just go ahead and close the confirmation screen, and that's it. So you may follow up this method if you'd like to select or change your primary care physician on BCBSM application. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.